Math lesson 93. Welcome back, everyone, and good morning. Can everyone say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Let's get started with our meditation, which means we have a seat, and you all show me.
2 fingers.
Good, 2 fingers. We'll use them to find our heart center, right? We want to focus our energy here on our center. Our other hands open in our laps or on our desk. And together we take a deep breath. Good. Close our eyes. Focus on our center. Try and relax your body. Clear your mind. And let's meditate together. Get ready for the day. Once we're able to feel it here at our center, relax our other hand. We want to keep our energy at our heart center. Gently try and lengthen our breath, both in and out. More focused at our heart center. Breathing deep, clearing our minds, focusing at our center. Okay, nice job, everyone. We'll slowly open our eyes, come out of our meditation together, taking 3 deep breaths. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Stand up with me. We'll do the rest of our warm-up together. Perfect. First, we do what? Yeah, we stretch up high. Reach. Yeah, reach for the sky. We can stand on our tippy toes. Or bend. Find a good stretch in your arms and in your back. And then together we? Yeah, shake, shake, shake it out. Good. And then we stretch down to our toes. Touch your toes, everybody. Find a nice stretch in the back of your legs. Reach. And then together, we shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Very good. Yeah, and then we stretch our neck together, right? So we'll go this way and then back this way. Yeah, put your hair behind your ears maybe. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good.
My hair.
All right, next we count on our fingers. Very good. So we started with 1 here. Show me 1. Down and back. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's you, do it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right. So now we what? We jump up and down, and we start on one leg or 1 foot, and we're gonna switch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we jump forward on 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right. If you can hear me, clap 1 time. Good. You can hear me, clap 2 times. You can hear me, clap 3 times. You can hear me, clap 4 times. Good. If you can hear me, clap 4 times. How many?
4.
You can hear me, clap 3 times. You can hear me, clap 2 times. Okay. You can hear me, clap 1 time. You can hear me, clap 1 time. Good. All right. Zip it. Lock it. Put it in our pocket. Zip it. Lock it. Put it in our pocket. Zip it. Lock it. Put it in our pocket. So today in math, we're going to continue talking about place value, and we're going to move into greater than, less than, which we've already learned before, so this will be fun. First, I want to go over reading big numbers. We did this last time. Yeah, so if we have our place value home from yesterday. Who lives here? 100s. Who lives here? 10s. Who lives here? 1s. Good. 100s, 10s, and 1s, right? So if I had the number
854.
yeah. Patta, what number is this? 854. Remember? This is our hundreds. And remember, we like to add the word and. Don't forget and. Makes it easier. 854. Remember, that's how we read our big numbers. All right, so I'll write a new one. Raise your hand if you know it, okay? Raise your hand if you know the number. Who can tell me this number? Only Pia? All right, Pia, what number is this?
633.
Very good. Paul, are you listening? Listen. 633. 633. Very good.
100.
Shh. Pakboom, what number is this?
26.
Good. Say it again. 300, right? For our hundreds, it's just the digit plus 100. Perfect. 326. 326. All right? We're together. Pat, you can answer this one. Okay.
957.
What was it?
957.
Very good. Very good. 957. 957. Very good. Okay. Okay, so you want to do one? No? Okay. All right, Paul, what number is this?
200.
23?
No.
What's 7 tens? Who can tell me what 7 tens is? 70. 70. Good. 273. 273. 273. Okay? Good. So actually we can leave this up. So remember yesterday we talked about expanding our numbers, right? We wrote, if it was just 73, we wrote it like this, 70 plus 3. Remember how we did this? 7 tens, 70, 3 ones is 3, all right? So what if we had this as well? Does anybody know the value of 2 100s?
200.
Exactly, yeah, the value of 2 100s is 200. This value is 200, right? So if we wanted to add this, yeah. First we start here. So 200 plus 7 tens. How many is that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 tens, 70. And 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. It's 3. And we add it all together, and we get our beginning number. Right? Yeah, our 3-digit. Yeah, right? So this is what this is saying for value. This is the same as this. Let's do another example. Okay, so what if I had this number?
452.
50? 50. Good. Okay, so first let's look at the hundreds. What is the value here?
400.
400, right? The value in our hundreds is 400. So we do 400. Plus, what is the value of 5 tens?
52.
What? Yeah, but just here. 50, right? The 5 tens is 50. And what is the value here in the ones? 2. Very good.
2 equals 40.
Yeah, and when we add it all together, we get our number, our beginning number. 452. Very good. Okay. Our expanded form, we're showing the value of each digit. Okay, let's do another one together. Let's try
730.
Good. Very good. So the number is 738. Good. So let's look at the value. Let's expand it by looking at the value. Yeah. The value of our hundreds is what, Pat? 700. Very good. What is the value of our tens? It's 3, but it's 3 tens. Yeah, it's 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. And what's the value of our ones? 8. Yep, 8.
Not 80.
No, 80. And when we add them all together, we get our beginning number, 738. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's do a 100. We haven't done that in a while. 97. Okay, what number is this first?
197.
Very good. 197. 197. So let's look at the value. What is the value of our hundreds?
100.
Very good. 100.
97.
Good. What is the value of our tens? 90. Very good. 9 tens is 90.
7.
And the value of our ones? 7. Very good. We put it all together and it equals 197, our original number. Very good. Cool?
Cool.
Cool? All right. We're going to look at a worksheet that looks something similar to this, talking about values. Just like we're practicing here, it's talking about values, right? There's a lot of written instruction on here, so we're going to go through it together as a class. I'll pass out the worksheet, and then you guys follow along with us.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
so much.
You're very welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Good, and I'll get to keep a copy. So if we look at our first, we're going to go through them together like I mentioned. Look at your first problem here. I think it's labeled A below. We're going to look at it together. On your worksheet, it's got a small a, and then it's got the number 729, and it's got a line under 7, all right? And then there's a blank for us to write our answer, right? So find the number on your worksheet that looks like this. That's the first one we're gonna do. Just like our place value house, it wants to know what is the value of the 7. That's why it's underlined, the 7.
17.
Yeah. So it wants to know how many does the 7 represent?
17.
70?
100.
70, 100? Whoa. 700. Very good. The 7 is in the hundreds home. So this 7 represents 700, right? That's what this wants to know. It wants to know the value. 700. It wants to know the value of that number. And its value is 700 because it is a 7 in the hundreds home. Yeah, find the one. We're doing it together, too. Exactly. 700. Yeah.
600.
No, because look, it's the 6. Is it in the hundreds home or the tens home?
10 home.
It's in the tens home. So how many is that? It's 6 tens, not 600. Exactly. It's 60. Good. Yep. So we'll do the second one together. Make sure you guys get the hang of it. So let's see. You guys went down to C for 861, but let's look at B. Let's look at B as a class.
A, B, C.
So if we look at B, it is the number 436. Right? they want to know the value of the 6. The value of the 6, yeah. The 6 is in the ones home. It's in the ones home. So how many is it? 6. It's literally just 6. The value of the 6 is 6. Yeah, it's in the ones, right? It would be, I'll show you, so for the second one, it looks like this, right? The 4 is in the hundreds home. The 3 is in the tens. 6 is in the ones. So for each of our equations, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it's the same type of problem. In the tens place. Yeah. Yeah. 0 is always going to be 0. Yes. Yes, 6. No, 0 is always going to be a 0 value. Good. All right, so I want you guys to try to do the rest through H on your own, right? I'll be walking around to offer help, but I want you guys to give it a go. You can draw a place value house if it's helpful for you as well. Let's draw you a place value house. This will make it easier, right? So 100s live here, 10s live here, and 1s live here, all right? So what number is this? Right, it would be 5, 80. Is that a 9? Can't tell, it's upside down. Is that a 9? Okay. Close, I'll come to you. All right, so if we're looking at the 5, Pat, look here. What is the value of the 5? 500. Yeah, the 5 lives in the hundreds, so it's going to be 500. Right? So you can use your place value home. Yeah, 0 is always going to be 0. Yep. Good. It'll be 0. 0 will be 0. Tricky. 0, 3. Just 0.
2. 1.
Just 0.
Just 0, 1, or 2. Just be come here, please.
What are you talking? I'm sorry, I don't understand.
1. No. And this.
No, look, I'll show you. You got to look at them individually. What's the number? 109? Is that a 9? Yeah. 109. Yeah, I should have done an example for you guys with the 0. Look, okay, so we have 109. 109. There's a 0. There's nothing there. Yeah. So the value of the hundreds is 100. The value of the tens is 0. There's none. There's none in there. Plus 0. The value of the ones is 9. Right? So when it's 0, we don't even need this. 100 plus 9. Right? So if it's asking us over here, if it's asking us the value of the tens, the value is 0. There's no tens. What is the 0, 1 thing that you're talking about?
One number.
Yeah, it's just 0.
What number?
0. 0 is the number, baby. 0.
500.
No, but I'll show you why.
500.
Is the 5 in the hundreds home?
5. No.
No, it's in the tens home.
No.
Yeah, look. 5 would be in the tens home. So what is 5 tens? 5 tens. 10, 20.
30.
50. Yeah. The value of the 5 is 50. Good. Here, Nadia, let me show you. Finished? Okay, hang on to it. We're going to do these bottom ones together. All right, let's look at our place value home. That's what helps me. So if we look at our home, hello, little home. Right? Our 100s live here, our 10s live here, and our 1s. All right? So let's look at,
Pat. P-A-N and then T.
H. This guy needs to be a little taller. Okay, so let's look at this one, Nadia. So 861. So let's just put it in our home for now. 8, I can't draw 6 upside down. 6, 1, right? So what do they want to, they want to know the 6. All right, so the 6 lives in the tens home. How many is 6 tens? 6 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the value of the 6, 60, because it's 6 tens. Right? It's in, what is the 2? Does it live in hundreds, tens, or ones? Hundreds, tens, or ones? Ones. So how many is 2 ones?
200.
200?
100. 0.
2 ones.
1.
It's just 2. It's just 1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2.
2.
Yep. You finish.
Good, good. All right, keep it. We're going to do it together. All right, so look at the next one. Nadia?
Here.
Yeah, I'll help you. All right, so let's look at this one. 45. It's only a 2-digit. So plug in 45 here in your home. Well, we don't have 100 though. It's a, so this would be a 0. Sorry. It's only 2 digits. 1, 2. So 45 here. So 0. But hang on to it. We're going to do these 2 together at the bottom.
No.
That one's 0. All right. So let's plug in 589. All right. So now plug in 589 in your home. 589. Good. All right, and they want to know how much the 5 is, right? So the 5 lives in the hundreds home. How many is 5 hundreds? 100, 200, 300, 400. 500. Yeah, so the value of the 5 is 500. Are you guys finished? We'll do the last 2 together. All right, just wait 1 minute, please. Okay, good. So now we'll plug in 952 into our home. All right, so plug in this number into your home. Good. All right, and they want to know the 5. So the 5 is in the tens home. How many is 5 tens? 10.
11.
Tens. 10.
20, 30, 40, 50.
50. So the value of 5 is 50. Okay, good work, everybody. So the last 2, the letter I and J at the bottom of your page, we're going to do them together because there's a lot of words in the instructions. All right. So it says, and the number 238. 238. 238. All right? Just follow along. So the question, it wants to know which place, this place, this place, or this place has the biggest value or the greatest. 8? That's the biggest? Yeah, right. The biggest digit is 8, but remember its value, right? A 2 in the 100s isn't 2, it's 200, right? A 2 in the hundreds is 200. A 3 in the tens is how many? 30. And 8 in the ones is how many? 8. Right? So now if we look at this, 200, 30, and 8, which number is biggest?
200.
200 is biggest. Yeah, 200 is biggest. Right? So which digit has the greatest value? 2. 2 is the biggest because it represents 200. All right? So your answer for I, what does it look like? You've got a space here, is going to be the digit 2. Yeah, the digit 2. Because this means 200. The 2 really means 200. The 2's value is 200. You could just write 2. That's fine. Either way is fine. All right, so let's look at the next one. We look at J. What is it? The number is 619. 600. Oh, I should do this in red. Sorry. Got a lot going on in my hands. 619. 619. So this time they want to know which digit, which place value, this one, or this one, represents the smallest number.
1.
The smallest number.
9.
Yeah.
It's 9.
It's 9. Yeah. But remember, so if we just look at the digits, 619, 1 is smallest. But we have to look at the value. The value. So a 6 in the hundreds is actually 600. Not 6, 600. A 1 in the tens is actually 10. Not 1. 9 in the ones is 9. Right? So now if we look at these 3 numbers, 600, 10, and 9. Now which one's the smallest? 600 is the smallest? 9. 9 is the smallest. Yeah. 9 has the least value, the smallest value. Yeah. And that's what they want to know for that question. So you can write 9. 9. Okay? Hey, friend. Good. When you're finished, I'll come get him. Thank you. Okay. So here's a little throwback Thursday for you guys. Who remembers our hungry alligator? Remember our alligator? Right? Yeah, remember we used our hungry alligator to get to compare numbers. Remember? So the alligator, he always wants to eat the bigger or the smaller? He always wants to eat the bigger. Yeah, so the bigger number goes here?
No.
Yeah, the bigger number goes here because he wants to eat it. So if we had 10 and 7, right? Right? Remember, our hungry alligator always wants to eat our bigger number. Right? It's going to be the same with our numbers from 11 to 100. Right? It's going to be the same. So let's do an example together before I. So let's use some of the numbers we learned this semester. What if I had? What number is this?
45.
45. And
21.
21. Which one is bigger?
45.
Yeah. So my alligator goes this way?
No.
This way? Yeah. My alligator always wants to eat my bigger number, right? This one is bigger or greater?
Greater.
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 This one is smaller or less than,
Less than.
right? Greater than, less than, right? We remember that. Easy, right? Easy peasy. Because the next thing we're going to do is play a game. Yay! We're going to get to compare numbers, greater than, less than. So how we're going to play the game is we've played something similar like this before. We're all going to sit in a circle, and we've got flashcards from 11 to 100, I believe. Everybody gets an alligator mouth sign, right? Greater than or less than. And you get to pick 2 cards, flip over, and then you get to change your sign, right? Adjust it to show me which one's greater than, which one's less than, all right? And then you get to pass your next card. We played a game like this a while back, so it should be fairly familiar to you guys. But I want you all to play in your classroom for the next 10 minutes, and then you'll join us back here when you're finished. You can move your alligator. He can go this way or this way, right? This way, this way. Everybody gets one alligator mouth.
Alligator.
You can draw an eye and teeth on it if you want. It's the little things, you know? It's the little things in life. Yeah, you can draw teeth. You can draw teeth, yeah. Cool. All right. Cool, very cool. All right, now everyone gets a stay card. If you remember this game, last time we would flip one and pass it. I'll just show you guys. I'll just show you. Wait. One for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I wanna mix up the order here. For you.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. No. No. You get what you get and you don't throw a fit.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You're a very big number. Good. All right, so let me draw what you guys are seeing. All right, so you have one number here, and then you're gonna have your comparison, and another number here. All right? Your eyes. Cool, very good. All right, now you get your second number.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Good. Oh. Okay, so look, you have one number, and then you have another number. So I want you to show me on your desk which way this goes. Compare your two numbers, right? Show me which one is greater, which one's more. So for teacher Shelby's go like this, right?
No.
No? Like this?
Yes.
Yeah, because 39 is greater than. So show me on your desk. Good, Pon. Very good. Very good. Show me. Which one's bigger? Show me using your alligator. Look, the alligator always goes in the middle, sweetheart, in between the two numbers. Between, remember? In, on, under, front, up, behind, next to, between. So which one's more? Good, there we go, very good. Show me, which one's more? Very good, I can see it. Well, show me in the equation, look. Very good, okay. So remember how we play this game? Look, you're gonna take this card and pass it to your neighbor, right? So Pakboom, you're gonna take 93, give it to Pata. Pata, you're gonna take 41, give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. And pass. And pass. Good. All right, now do it again. Now, oh, right, you need another one. Oh, look, they're almost the same. Okay, now show me again. Show me which one is more. Which one's greater than? Show me, come on. Hello. Is that right? Yeah, there you go. Cool. Show me which one's more. Good. Which one's more? Thank you. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Cool. Okay, ready? We're gonna pass again. So Pakboom, you take 93. And pass. And pass. And pass. And pass. Good. Okay, now show me again. Compare your two numbers, please. Which one is greater than? Very good. That one is greater than. Good. Good. Which one's greater than? Yeah? Good. Very good. Which one's greater than? Pata. Very good. The big dog, huh? Okay, very good. So take and pass. Pass to your neighbor, please. Pass and pass. Thanks. And compare. Well, this is upside down for starters. Look, stop. Look at the two. Which one is bigger? Which one's more? What number is this?
6.
6? That is not a 6, my friend. 46. What number is this?
4.
68. So which one's more? Which one's bigger? Which one's bigger? 60. Look, 2. 10, 20, 30, 40. There's 40, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 is more. Good. What's happening here? Show me which one's more. Yeah. Show me which one's more, please. Very good. Very good. Okay, and we pass. Pass to your neighbor. In, on, under. Front, up, behind. Next to, between. And compare them, please. You can pass 100. Doesn't matter. Okay, and compare. Show me which one's more than. Q. Which one's more than? Yes, more than. Very good. Very good, Nadia. Show me more than. Pat. Which one's more than? Very good. Good. Pon, show me more than. Which one's bigger? Very good. Very good. Which one's more than? There you go. That works. Very nice. Okay, one more time. Pass to your neighbor. One more time. One more time. Show me which one is more than. Pass. Good. Good. Which one's more? Ooh, the big number. I'm sorry. Stabbed you with my fingernail. Good. 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 Look, they're almost the same. Good. Which one's more, Teal? Is that one more? Is that one more? You tell me. Look, 77, 76. Which one's more? Yes. Yes, but do you know why? Look, 7 and 6. Which one's more, 7 or 6? Yeah, 7 is more. Very good. Okay, cool. Okay, good. Put your number cards together for me. I'm going to come get them. Put your numbers together. Yeah, you keep your gator. Put your numbers together. So I need 1, 2 numbers from everybody. Thank you. Numbers. No, numbers, please. Okay, great job, everyone. Again, that was probably pretty easy and fun since we know how to compare numbers. So the last thing I want to do is make sure we get some written practice comparing our 2-digit numbers, right? So everyone's going to get a worksheet. It is front and back, all right? It is 2 sides, all right? So make sure that you finish it all, right? What you don't finish is homework, so work hard. We're gonna do this for the rest of the lesson, collect it when finished, and then you guys will join us back here for goodbye. Keep it. Cool. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right, so what you're doing is writing the greater than or less than to sign in there, right? You're drawing your gator in the blank. That's what you're doing. Front and back. Right, it's like it looks like this. You're drawing and on, under. But I'm gonna take that if you don't work on this.
Yeah.
Put this under you. Yeah, perfect. Do this. Yes, ma'am. Very good. On. 2, here. Do this. What do you need? Look at these 2. Which one's more? Does your gator go this way or this way? This way or this way? No. Look at the 10s. Which one's bigger, 2 or 3? 3. All right, so show me. Now look at this one. Which one's bigger, 3 or 5? Yeah, good. Show me. So welcome back, and thanks for working so hard this lesson, guys. That's going to wrap it up for us. Can everyone say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.